Hey everyone, it's Rick at Dentec. Today I've got a 2008 Harley Davidson Road King. This is a police edition. Customer just bought this bike and he wants to refinish it. It's got dents in the fender and in the tank, and rather than replacing it or filling it with Bondo, he wants the dents massaged out. So I'll put it on this tank vise here and remove the dents. If you've got any dents in your motorcycle or vehicle, give me a call today, 403-315-2333. Dentec's located on 43rd Street South, Lethbridge, Alberta. You can also see some of my work on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.